Welcome back. Guess what we're doing today?
Welcome back.
Today we're traveling. We're traveling to Georgia. We're going to a little town at the base of some mountains called Hiawassee, Georgia.
Hiawassee.
We're going to look for property. We've been toying with the idea of retirement and how that's going to look in our future and where we're going to end up.
And because the insurance for houses are going to be insane.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at the traffic over there.
It's okay.
So anyway, we're taking off from home and we're heading that way. It's going to be about a 10.5-hour trip for us. And come along. We'll show you some of the sights we see and some things we're going to do.
And we're going to relax, not work. And just chill.
We're in Mobile, Alabama right now, and we're heading up on Interstate 65. We're heading north.
Interstate 65.
Heading north.
That's the next song.
So good morning.
It's worth a night in a hotel.
We're traveling through Auburn, Alabama right now, and we're gonna make our way to Georgia. It's a Saturday morning, and we're gonna be passing through Atlanta. We're gonna stop at this little bitty town called Helene, Georgia.
Helen. Say it is it German? Say German
It's
town.
a German town.
I always wanted to visit it.
So
I don't know what it is,
that's where we headed at right now. So we get kind of excited.
I want sausage and sauerkraut.
Yes. Now look, the traffic's already bad, and it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
So Atlanta should be interesting.
Yeah.
Look, the Huddle House is decorated like German. Huh. It's all businesses. We need to see where we gotta park though. I like the cheese and I like that.
Somebody goes next. We're not really going to see.
Alright, you ready to see?
Alex, still here.
Okay. So we're walking up a mountain over here. We're going to Anna Ruby Falls. About
I
that?
need to take this jacket off.
Overall, I would say that was a good experience, huh?
That was a good
Great exercise.
We worked out all that bratwurst
Yeah.
and the schnitzel.
6 miles.
Filming.
Turn right onto State Route 75.
What kind of road does?
The road dips. Oh, look at this. It's like a roller coaster. So we traveled to, I guess, right at the edge of the border of North Carolina and Georgia. We're searching for property up here, and we We've been looking. We're at the top of Bell Mountain. I'm out of breath. And I run. I had to walk a good 300 foot at a very steep grade. Whew. Just think now it's taller.
Which one?
Now. Right now, we're property hunting. We're looking for a place that we feel that we can retire or state grounds to start something new, a new project or a new chapter of our life. So we're going to have our anniversary supper tonight.
Yeah.
What a view. So last night we spent the night at a lodge. And this is our view right now. We're coming down, we're going towards some more properties. That mountain over there is in the clouds. So pretty. We're downtown Blairsville.
I want to shop in Blairsville.
You want to shop or you want to shop?
Both.
So we come and check this out.
This looks like it got some avocado blended in it. Oh, look.
Mmm, yum.
Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there.
Oh, that looks so good. Awesome.
Wow.
I'm trying to take pictures there. Thank you so
Doing it
much.
right now. Thank y'all so much.
All right.
Even the handles are cool. We're gonna go put this up in the room and then we'll get a drink.
Let me get the fireplace first. So we came to this lodge, and this lodge has this golf course. I tell you what, if I was more into golf, I would have definitely came play. This looks like it would be a very challenging course just from looking at it. It's so pretty. So look at the golf course down
Yeah,
there. There's
yeah.
some sand pits. I mean, you 200-foot elevation drop.
vodka in the envelope?
That's lime, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, vodka and lime juice. I just thought, think about it. Been a little while since I made one of those.
Yeah, I'm trying to
Got
think
the
about
Gibson
that.
and the gimlet. Don't have the onion.
They mean ya, Sean? My grandpa had one, he was mean. Look, look. That one's coming towards the car. Babe, he's gonna fly up in this car.
There you go, fly in this car. Good morning. Well, good morning. We stopped somewheres in Tennessee, overlooking this lake, and we're surrounded by mountains. We're on our way towards Chattanooga from Murphy, North Carolina, and we're gonna make our way to Gunnersville, Alabama. It's the next place we're gonna go and try to find some property. So that's what we're doing right now. But we're taking a little break, stretching our legs. It's beautiful and it's cool. Woo!
And I don't have my camera. A real camera. Put your hand down.
We made our way up, and I guess it's the lodge in Gunnersville by the RV park. There's an RV park down there. This is the state park in Alabama. This is a lodge up here by a golf course. This is just breathtaking. It's Wednesday morning, and we're traveling from Georgia to back home, and we stopped somewhere in Alabama, the side of the road, through a small town, and this place is called Carl's Coffee. So you know we had to check it out. Let me show you. It's an old building. So
And their property's getting bought up like crazy.
if you don't mind, I might put you on YouTube, bro.
It's just a little bitty channel right now.
It's little, but we got follows.
Yeah. I didn't even start playing with it yet, so.
I think this is perfect.
Yeah.